Hey guys, welcome back to Delph Stack, and today I will be discussing how to clear queue on Spotify. So, to do this process, first thing is you could just simply go ahead and open up the Spotify application into your device. Now, once you are here on the Spotify, you could just simply go ahead and go for the music that is currently playing. I'm gonna tap on the music down below. So from here, as you can see, it is playing. In order for you to go to the queue tab or to see the list of song, you should be able to see the share icon on the right side of the screen down below or the queue icon which has a three lines or one circle or two lines. Tap on it and this will be the queue tab. This is all of the songs that has been listed throughout this playlist. And now you will have an option at the top right corner, clear. So go ahead and tap on a clear, guys. And from here, it will be a clear on the queue that you have added and the list that is still on the queue means that it is already on the playlist. But if you queued one song and multiple songs, you should be able to clear it and restore to the default of the playlist. There you go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.